3, foot and 3 inches longer. It's rated for another 50 or 75 pounds. I feel like I'm way up above the water in this one.
Yeah.
Do you see a difference?
Mm-hmm.
So again, I'm sure I could if I really forced it over, but there's a lot of wiggle room. I don't feel nearly as unstable on this one. Now the question is maneuverability. Foot and a half longer. Got the pool hose in the way. So it definitely takes a little bit more. Again, it's still pretty reactive actually. And it's definitely more buoyant. Definitely more buoyant. It doesn't feel as heavy in the water as I thought it was going to be.